Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn some fundamental functions. First one, constant function. Function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to k, x belongs to R, that is real number, and k is constant, is called the constant function. For example, suppose we consider f of x is equal to 3. That means we can say that y is equal to 3 because the function y is denoted by f of x. Now, in this case, when we will plot the points, everywhere the value of y will be fixed, that is 3. That means for any value of x, the value of y will be constant, that is 3. So our graph will be, if we plot x-axis and y-axis, then the line will be parallel to x-axis passing through the point y is equal to 3. Similarly, if we consider any other number, then again we will get the line parallel to the x-axis and passing through the point y is equal to k. Now the second type is identity function. If the domain and the codomain are same as A, then we define a special function as identity function defined by f of x is equal to x. F is a function from R to R where y is equal to x. Now in this case, for every value of x, the value of y will be the same. Suppose we consider x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1. So the coordinate will be 1, 1. Similarly, if we consider x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2. So the coordinate will be 2, 2. Means for every value of x, the value of y will be same. And therefore we can say that y is equal to x. So this will be a line passing through the point 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and so on. So this type of function is called as identity function. Now linear function. A function f from R to R of the form f of x is equal to ax plus b. Now here the value of x, or we can say the power of x, will be 1 because this is a linear function. So we can consider any example like f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 or f of x is equal to 5x plus 7. Everywhere we will put the value of x to get the corresponding value of y, and if we plot the points to draw the graph, then we will get a linear line. So this is called as linear function. Now quadratic function. Function of the form f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, including that the condition a is not equal to 0. Now here the power of x is 2. So we can say that this is a polynomial of order 2. So this is quadratic function, and f of x can be of the type 3x square plus 2x plus 1 and so on. Now next is the function of the form f of x is equal to ax raised to n, where n belongs to natural number. Note that this function is a multiple of power of x. So if we consider the power of x as 2, then the function is called as square function. If we consider the power of x as 3, then function is called as the cube function. So this type of functions are included in this type, and therefore this is also called as power functions. And if we plot the points by finding the values of x and y, then the graph will be a parabola like structure. Now 6. polynomial function. A function of the form f of x is equal to a0 x raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1 plus up to so on a n minus 1 x plus a n. Means everywhere we are decreasing the power of x by 1 and is a polynomial function of degree n. If a0 is not equal to 0 and a0, a1, a2, an are real. Means what is the difference between this quadratic function and polynomial function? Here the power of x is fixed, that is 2, but here we can get the higher power of x to draw the graph for the polynomial function. Now our next type is rational function. Given polynomials f of x, q of x, then f of x will be of the type p of x upon q of x, including the condition that q of x is not equal to 0 and is called as rational function. Now